Order a coffee.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What would you like?
I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Sure, what kind of coffee?
What do you recommend?
Our latte is very popular.
Is it sweet?
Not too sweet. It has steamed milk and espresso.
That sounds good. I'll take a latte.
Small or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
Anything else?
Do you have any snacks?
Yes, we have cookies and sandwiches.
I'll take a chocolate cookie.
Good choice. It's fresh.
Great.
Your total is $6.20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap here.
Done.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Sure.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I just moved to this area.
Welcome. This cafe is popular with locals.
It feels comfortable.
We try to make it cozy.
I like the quiet atmosphere.
Afternoons are usually calm.
That's perfect for me.
Here's your latte and cookie.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your coffee.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Talking about vacations.
Have you planned your vacation yet?
Not yet. I'm still thinking about it.
You should decide soon. Summer is coming.
I know. I just can't choose a place.
What kind of vacation do you prefer?
Something relaxing. Maybe the beach.
Beaches are nice, but they can be crowded.
That's true.
What about the mountains?
Hiking sounds peaceful.
Fresh air and beautiful views.
I like that idea.
Or maybe a city trip?
I don't want too much noise.
Then nature is better.
Have you decided where you're going?
Yes, I'm visiting my family.
That's nice.
We usually spend time near the lake.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. We swim and cook outside.
I need something like that.
You work too much.
Maybe.
Vacations help you recharge.
I agree.
When will you take your leave?
Probably in July.
That's a good time.
I should book soon.
Yes, prices go up quickly.
I'll check online tonight.
Good idea.
I'm already feeling excited.
Planning is part of the fun.
You're right.
Let me know what you choose.
I will.
Buy clothes.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What kind of jacket do you need?
Something warm for winter.
Do you prefer short or long?
Maybe a long coat.
We have several options here.
This one looks nice.
That's one of our best sellers.
Is it very heavy?
It's warm but not too heavy.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
It's comfortable, but maybe a little tight.
Would you like to try one size bigger?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
This fits much better.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I like the color too.
Dark colors are easy to match.
That's true.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe a scarf.
We have wool scarves over here.
This one is soft.
It's very warm as well.
I'll take both.
Great choice.
How much is everything?
The coat is $85 and the scarf is $20.
That's reasonable.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Please tap here.
Done.
Thank you.
I'm ready for winter now.
Stay warm.
I will. Thanks for your help.
A case at the restaurant.
Excuse me, I think there's a problem with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
I ordered grilled chicken, but this looks like beef.
Let me check.
I might be mistaken, but I don't think this is chicken.
You're right. This is beef. I apologize for the mistake.
It's okay. I just wanted to mention it.
Thank you for telling me calmly.
I understand. Mistakes happen.
We'll fix it right away.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
That's fine.
Would you like a free drink while you wait?
That's very kind. Thank you.
We always try to make things right.
I appreciate that.
The kitchen is preparing your correct dish now.
Good. I was very hungry.
I understand.
The restaurant is quite busy tonight.
Yes, weekends are always crowded.
The atmosphere is nice, though.
Thank you. We try to keep it welcoming.
I'll definitely come again.
We're glad to hear that.
Mistakes happen, but good service matters.
That's our goal.
Here comes the new plate.
Please check if everything is correct.
Yes, this is grilled chicken.
Perfect. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant evening.
Book a room.
Good evening. I'd like to book a room.
Good evening, certainly. For how many nights?
For 2 nights, starting tonight.
Do you have a reservation already?
No, I don't. I decided to travel suddenly.
That's fine. Let me check availability.
Thank you.
We do have rooms available.
That's a relief.
Would you like a single or a double room?
A single room is fine.
Do you prefer a room with a view?
Yes, if possible.
We have one facing the garden.
That sounds nice and quiet.
It usually is.
How much does it cost per night?
It's $95 per night, including breakfast.
Breakfast is included?
Yes, it's served from 7 to 10 a.m.
That's convenient.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you.
Is Wi-Fi available in the room?
Yes, it's free for all guests.
Great. I need to check my emails.
The password is on your keycard holder.
Perfect.
Do you need help with your luggage?
I only have 1 bag. I can manage.
The elevator is to your left.
Thank you for your help.
Here is your keycard, room 312.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
I'm sure I will.
Airport check-in. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
Is this your final destination?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay,
The weight is fine.
good to hear.
Do you prefer an aisle or window seat?
A window seat if possible.
Let me check.
Thank you.
Yes, I can assign you a window seat.
That's great.
Here is your boarding pass.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding begins at 9:30 a.m.
And which gate?
Gate 24. It may change, so please check the screen.
I will.
Do you have any liquids in your carry-on?
Only small toiletries.
That's fine.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, everything looks good so far.
That's a relief.
Security is straight ahead.
Thank you for your help.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. Have a good day. At the pharmacy.
Hello, I need some help, please.
Of course. How can I help you today?
I'm not feeling very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you also have a fever?
A small one, I think.
How long have you felt this way?
Since last night.
Have you taken any medicine already?
No, not yet.
Are you allergic to any medication?
No, I'm not.
That's good to know.
I didn't want to see a doctor yet.
That's understandable for mild symptoms.
I just need something to feel better.
I can recommend pain relief tablets.
Will they help with the headache?
Yes, and they can reduce fever too.
What about the sore throat?
Throat lozenges can help soothe it.
I'll take those as well.
Do you prefer a mint or honey flavor?
Honey, please.
That's a popular choice.
How often should I take the tablets?
Every 6 hours after food.
Should I rest today?
Yes, rest and drink plenty of water.
I've been very busy lately.
That can weaken the body.
I guess I need a break.
Your health is important.
If I don't feel better, should I see a doctor?
Yes, especially if symptoms last more than 2 days.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome.
How much do I owe you?
It's $12.50 in total.
I'll pay by card.
Please tap here.
Done.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you for your help.
Take care and rest well. At the sports club.
Hi, I'd like some information about joining the club.
Sure. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. What kind of activities are you interested in?
I want to stay fit and reduce stress.
Then you came to the right place.
What facilities do you have?
We have a gym, a swimming pool, and yoga classes.
That sounds great.
Do you prefer group classes or individual workouts?
Maybe a mix of both.
Many members feel the same.
I've never used gym equipment before.
Don't worry, we offer free training sessions for beginners.
That's reassuring.
Our trainers will guide you.
How often are the yoga classes?
3 times a week in the evening.
Evening classes work better for me.
Most working people prefer that.
What about membership fees?
We have monthly and yearly plans.
Which one is more affordable?
The yearly plan saves money in the long run.
I want to try first.
You can start with a 1-month plan.
That sounds reasonable.
Would you like a tour of the club?
Yes, please.
This way. Here's the gym area.
It's clean and spacious.
We clean it several times a day.
I like the atmosphere here.
A positive space helps motivation.
I've been sitting at a desk all day for years.
Exercise will help your posture and energy.
I think this is what I need.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'll sign up for the monthly plan.
Great choice. Let's get you started.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. We're happy to have you.
Meeting in the street.
Oh, hi. Is that you, David?
Yes, it is. Hello. What a surprise.
I didn't expect to see you here.
Me neither. I was just walking home.
Same here. I finished work early today.
That's nice. The weather is pleasant too.
Yes, it feels good to walk instead of taking the bus.
I agree. The streets are quieter today.
How have you been?
I've been busy, but doing well.
Busy with work?
Mostly, and some family matters.
I understand. Life can get hectic.
How about you?
Things are stable. I'm trying to slow down a bit.
That's important.
I realized I was always rushing.
Many people do that without noticing.
Walking like this helps me think.
Streets have their own rhythm.
Do you still live nearby?
Yes, just 2 blocks from here.
Then we're practically neighbors.
Seems like it.
We should meet for coffee sometime.
I'd like that.
There's a small cafe around the corner.
I know it. Their coffee is good.
Maybe this weekend?
Saturday morning works for me.
Perfect.
It's funny how random meetings happen.
Sometimes they're the best ones.
They remind us to stay connected.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too.
I should head home now.
Same here.
See you Saturday then?
See you. Take care.
Talking at home.
You're home early today.
Yes, work was lighter than usual.
That's good. You look tired though.
It's been a long week.
Do you want some tea?
That would be nice.
I'll make it.
Thank you.
How was your day overall?
Busy, but productive.
Did everything go as planned?
Mostly, a few small problems.
Problems always appear.
Yes, but we solved them.
That's what matters.
How about your day?
It was calm. I worked from home.
That must have been comfortable.
It was. I liked the quiet.
Home feels peaceful in the evenings.
Especially when we talk like this.
I agree.
Sometimes I think we don't talk enough.
Life gets busy.
But moments like this are important.
They help us stay close.
Here's your tea.
Thank you. It smells good.
I added honey.
Perfect.
Are you hungry?
A little.
Dinner will be ready soon.
I can help if you want.
That would be nice.
Cooking together is relaxing,
It feels like teamwork.
just like everything else.
I'm glad we're home now.
Me too. Home is where we recharge.
Tomorrow will be another busy day.
But tonight we can rest.
That's enough for now.
Yes, let's enjoy the quiet.